Welcome. My name is Yofi Anand, Product Manager, SwapFit AI. In a world where fitness journeys are often derailed by unavoidable obstacles, SwapFit AI emerges as your adaptive fitness companion. Our mission to ensure your fitness plan evolves with you, making every workout count, no matter the challenge. Meet our team, a diverse group of tech innovators, fitness enthusiasts, wellness experts, all united by a shared passion for making fitness accessible to everyone. The fitness industry is booming with a market size of 30.6 billion in 2022 in the US alone. Yet it's failing to meet individual needs effectively. Busy schedules, crowded gyms, and a one-size-fits-all approach many behind. SwapFit AI addresses this head-on, tapping into a market ripe for adoption without AI companion backend. Our users face a trial of formidable challenges, gym equipment unavailable during peak hours, or even not at all, the struggle for progress due to injuries or plateaus, and the daunting task of finding a workout plan online that actually matches unique situations and goals. Today, we uncover the pivotal insights that are shaping the core functionality of SwapFit AI, your intelligent fitness companion. Through our diligent research comprising of 7 interviews and 8 survey responses, we pinpointed a crucial need in resistance training regimes, the necessity for adaptive exercise alternatives, and built an MVP to solve our users' pain point by prioritizing pain-killing features for our users. Let me introduce you to Alex. Like many of us, Alex juggles a demanding career with a passion for fitness. Despite being highly motivated and detail-oriented, he often struggles with finding effective workout substitutions when his gym is overcrowded or equipment is scarce. Or when he has a fitness plateau or an injury, this is where his journey with SwapFit AI begins. It represents our core users' experience, the challenge of unavailable gym equipment during peak hours, and a quest for balance between a demanding job and a consistent workout routine. These challenges are not unique to Alex. It resonates with many of us.
When thinking about the designs of how we were going to solve the user's problem of finding a substitute exercise, we knew that we wanted to streamline the current process mentioned in the user interviews. The process included a lot of Googling and searching YouTube. Additionally, they cross-referenced the information to ensure the substitute was targeting the same muscles as the exercise they were trying to replace. This whole method was exhausting for them. After we considered a handful of factors, such as technical constraints, collapsed timeframes, as well as the business goals, it helped us determine a solution. Let me walk you through what we came up with. First, users are invited to enter in the exercise they're trying to replace. After they type in the exercise, they'll be prompted to tap Next. And on this screen, we wanted to make sure that the recommended results were relevant to the user. Instead of users being shown exercises with every possible equipment, they have the option to select which equipment is available to them, offering a more tailored experience. Once they hit Find Substitute, they'll be brought over to a list of exercises to choose from. For those who are familiar with these exercises, they can stop here. But for those who are new, once they click on one of the exercises, they'll be shown a video demonstration as well as written instructions on how to perform the exercise. And at this point, the results from user testing validated that our process of helping people find a substitute exercise was usable. We were then able to tackle the other need addressed in the user research, which was informing people which muscle group the exercise targeted. Now, for those of you in the audience who are seasoned weightlifters will notice that just the hamstrings are highlighted, as opposed to the inclusion of glutes and other secondary muscles. Although this is a temporary limitation, we are currently working on displaying the full list of targeted primary and secondary muscles for future development. We're excited to incorporate this so users have full access to having a knowledgeable and confident workout. All right, pass this on to Sebastian.
Hi everyone, my name is Sebastian. My role was to structure the backend and functionality of our app. Now we can see I used React Native, which made it super easy, especially coming from a React.js background. It made it super easy for us to integrate the following APIs, which were Google Gemini for the app suggestion, and then we used YouTube Data API for the fetching of YouTube tutorials, and then a muscle group image generator, which helps us target or visualize each muscle. So Google Gemini AI was very easy to integrate. What was harder was to customize it and make sure the prompts suited that for every screen. And then YouTube Data also was fairly simple to integrate. We had a couple complications with tokens that we had to ask for more and just a whole bunch of paperwork, but we got past it. And here you can see we have a little workflow of how the basics of our app works. The user will input a workout to be replaced and ask Gemini for suggestions, and Gemini will spit out a list of different selections that the user can then pick from. Once that's done, we'll perform a YouTube search for a tutorial on that exercise. And then we're also calling Gemini again to fetch some instructions on how to perform the exercise. And then that's also when the muscle group image generator will come into play and display the correct muscle. That's about it for me, and I'll pass it on to Tom.
Hi, I'm Thomas. I am the front-end developer for SwapFit AI. We decided to use React Native for our framework. It offers a cross-platform functionality between iOS, Android, and web, all using the same code base. React Native also uses a style sheet property, which is very similar to CSS, which I thought was intuitive to design our app with. The first screen, we are greeted with the loading screen. Once the content is loaded, we are greeted with the swap exercise question. Once the user knows what exercise they're trying to replace, they input that exercise, hit next, and then they navigate to the second screen, select equipment. It shows a list of general equipment that's could be available for them. They select equipment that's around them, and they get navigated to the third screen, which is our results screen. From here, there is a list generated for them of potential substitutes. Once they select their substitute, they get navigated over to the video screen. Instructions is below the video, and there's a muscle tab if they want to see the targeted muscle. So now, enough talk of these pictures, let's show you a live demo of SwapFit.
Our app starts out with a nice loading screen that leads to a prompt where users will enter the exercises they would like to replace. We built a type checker that won't allow you to enter wrong exercise names. This allows our suggestions to be the best every time. Once the app knows which exercise the user would like to replace, we provide the option to pick which equipment is available. Here, many suggestions appear for the user to pick from. Once the substitution exercise was picked, a YouTube video demonstrating the exercise, along with the video information, will display at the top of the screen. The bottom of the screen will show instructions on how to perform the movement. The Muscle tab will display the targeted muscle group on the body. From here, users can search for a new exercise to substitute. Again, a correct exercise name is required. The user can now repeat this process for as many exercises needed. That's it. Very straightforward and simple to use. Thanks for watching, and make sure to follow the team members to get updates on SwapFit.
For our future features, we hope to seamlessly integrate our app in the daily life of our users, making it available on the Play and App Store. Imagine an app where your journey starts with a simple, secure login, immediately open the door to a personalized fitness experience. Your goals are just not dreams, but milestones waiting to be achieved. Track meticulously through our intuitive goal tracker. Dive into our advanced workout planner. designed to adapt to your unique needs, ensuring every session moves you closer to your fitness aspirations. But it's not just about personal progress. Our leaderboard ignites a friendly competitive spirit, encouraging you to push your boundaries. And because fitness is more joyfully shared, our vibrant community is where we celebrate every gain and support through every challenge. This isn't just an AI app. This is the ultimate fitness companion, designed to keep you motivated, engaged, and connected every step of the way. Thank you.